President Cyril Ramaphosa delivered his number eight, his eighth State of the Nation address. And one thing is certain, Cyril Ramaphosa is all talk and no action. We have a president that has delivered 8 State of the Nation addresses, but we are all confused as to the direction that South Africa is taking. We are yet to hear or see a plan from the president and his government as to where the country is going. One thing that I was expecting from the president was for the president to go back to his previous State of the Nation address and for him to show his achievements from his last State of the Nation address, as well as for him to show his failures and state the reasons why those failures exist. I was expecting to see a man that has a plan, a man that was going to show us the progress of his plan or the plan of his government. But instead, once again, we had to sit and endure a speech that was a bunch of nothings and a man just talking and not actually showing us the real state of the nation. It is quite clear now that Cyril Ramaphosa has delivered 8 State of the Nation addresses, but we as the citizens of the country don't even know what the future holds for us. The country is deteriorating, the economy is falling, while Ramaphosa and his GNU only fight to keep the power in their hands and in the hands of their handlers. We are being played. Kudlalwa ngathi la. uCyril Ramaphosa uhlulekile ukusikhombisa lokhu asekwenzile nokusikhombisa amaphutha akhe nanokuthi lamaphutha akhe abangwe yini. Umholi onjani ongakwazi ukuzibona amaphutha? Sisekakeni la. Vuka Daki.